A wide variety of workpieces in quantities from individual single-part production to medium batch sizes. We have everything you need when it comes to universal turning. We have delivered well over 5,000 TRAUB universal turning machines, meaning that you benefit from decades of experience and know-how. Continuing this long tradition, we consistently develop and improve our machines and would now like to present the new TRAUB TNA500. For this, I'm pleased to introduce Hans Koschik, Head of Sales Americas.
Today I would like to provide you with an overview of the latest development in the field of universal turning, our TRAUB TNA500. As the term universal turning suggests, this machine is designed for a very wide range of applications. It can process both disc-shaped parts up to a diameter of 350 millimeters and also shaft-shaped parts up to a length of 750 millimeters. The TRAUB TNA500 series is available as either a tailstock machine or as a counter-spindle variant. Its stiff and vibration-dampening machine bed and mineral cast and generously dimensioned guides ensure impressive machine stability. In addition to a high level of precision, the key performance data of the TNA500 makes it easy to see that the machine is set up for heavy cutting. For example, the main spindle has a drive power of 37.5 kilowatts and a torque of more than 1,000 Newton meters. In the turret, all axles are designed with feed forces up to 11,000 newtons. To provide a practical example of what this means, the machine can drill in solid steel with a diameter of more than 100 millimeters. The design with NC tailstock is always combined with a disc-type turret, while the counter-spindle variant always has a radial turret. The radial turret makes almost unlimited tool use possible, both on the main spindle and on the counter spindle. Our patented W-serration interface on the radial turret avoids time-consuming alignment of internal machining tools. The two tool carriers have 12 times VDI 40 tool holders available, each of which can be equipped with live tools. Both turrets are designed so that internal coolant supply with up to 80 bar pressure is possible with rotating tools. With the EcoFluid option, the coolant pressure and therefore also the volume can be programmed based on requirements. Our turrets are always designed with an XYZ axis, so that geometrically complex workpieces can be produced. Shaft-shaped parts with diameters up to 100 millimeters can be manufactured from bars, and as an option, a positionable steady rest can be ordered as well. An unloading device is available for workpieces that are manufactured from bar stock, allowing removal of both workpieces and bar remnants. Also noteworthy is the accessibility of the machine, which makes setup, tool changes, and tool inspections significantly easier. For loading and unloading, the TNA500 can naturally also be equipped with our X-Center robotic cell with pallet storage. The machine is equipped with the TRAUB TX8IS V8 control featuring a 19-inch touchscreen and X-panel functionality, providing access to your production network. TRAUB WinFlex IPS and WinFlex IPS Plus are available for programming and simulation, either integrated into the controller or an external PC.
Sowohl in der Steuerung integriert, als auch auf einen externen PC optional zur Verfügung.
The TNA500 is a universal turning machine for precise and powerful cutting.
Und für eine kraftvolle Zerspannung.
As you can see, this machine offers a wide range of applications and provides you with the ability to achieve full automation. Learn more about X-Center Robot Solution and take a look at our product presentation for Index G400 with X-Center.